lastly is Zoyong. Okay. Sige, babe. You repeat this one 2 times, okay? Okay, go. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, circle. 1, 2, 3, triangle. Triangle.
That could be Marcus.
Okay, restore. 1, 2, 3,
What?
square. And lastly, trapezoid. Okay, nakanya siya para intindi niya siya para